Now, moving on from this story, investigating the drug angle in actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, the Narcotics Control Bureau conducted multiple raids and which are currently on in Mumbai and Goa. These raids have been based on information given by suspected peddlers by the name of Anuj Keshwani for one. Remember, Keshwani was arrested already by the NCB after one Kaizan Ibrahim disclosed his name. Now, the raids in Mumbai and Goa were being headed by Officer Samir Wankhede. Meanwhile, NCB sources have revealed that RIA has also given out some names of celebrities in the industry. It could also be in connection with the drug investigation. Narcotics Bureau has found out that there could possibly be some celebrities who procure drugs, even act as suppliers, giving it to others in the industry. Approximately 25 suspected peddlers and a list of 15 celebrities is currently with the narcotics team for further probe. NCB have already arrested Ria, remember, also her younger brother Shavik Chakrabarti, also the House and Domestic Help Dipesh Sawant, manager Samuel Miranda, one peddler suspected Zaid Vilatra and Basit Parehar for allegedly arranging drugs for the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The Sessions Court, however, has rejected their bail pleas yesterday. So I'm going to Vidya yet again on this story. So Vidya, what it appears now that beyond the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput, this is going to be about a bigger drug racket. Are we expecting some big names to tumble out from this investigation, Vidya?
Well, it is, if you remember, Narcotic Control Bureau all along has been stating very clearly that this is not about just Ria case. It is about a bigger nexus of Bollywood, indulging in drugs, in contraband. That is one of the reasons why this particular case was just the tip of the iceberg. They said very clearly that when they found out that Ria and others were consuming drugs, so that is the reason why, they went in for this entire investigation. And remember, right now, where the raids are being conducted are again drug peddlers. Their information, so if you remember Ria's case also, the first information came from the drug peddlers in Powai. They gave the information about drug peddlers in Bandra area, and then from there they got the connection to Ria, whoever they were communicating with for drugs. So certainly they have been able to open up the big bag of worms in that case, but the bigger nexus was yet to be unraveled. That is happening now. From the Ria case, the NCB has moved on to the bigger fishes. They have very clearly stated that apart from the drug peddlers now being raided and investigation, we will really reveal the bigger names that will certainly come out in a few more days.
All right, keep tracking all the latest. Vidya has been on this story since day one, telling us about now multiple raids taking place in Mumbai and Goa.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.